So today is the day with the big machine where we're going to start demolishing the terrace. It's very exciting, a little bit scary. We've cut through here, or Andy has, with a petrol cutter. So we're now separate from next door, so we don't accidentally take down their terrace. That was quite a long job. And here's the beast in action. I think we'll have some more shots later. Andy's just practicing. And here we have Andy, now a master of using this piece of equipment. He calls it a pecker. I'm sure there's a better name for it than that. But anyway, we've made progress. We've got less terrace and a bigger pile. Let's hear what noise it makes. There we go. Just like that. And on and on. I better go and give him a hand. Bye for now. So here we have Digger, which has managed to, not Digger, some kind of pecker, breaker, excavator, no, not excavator, anyway, we've cleared all of that today. And now Andy's going to try and just wiggle down that wall. Let's see how that goes. I think it's pretty ready to give. It's only a single skin of brick, and it kept on wobbling while we were bashing the terrace around. Oops. There we go. That's the beginning of it. See what happens. Oh. Timber.